Today CBSE has circulated very important circular, that is a supplementary examination for the class 10 and 12 board batches. So three categories are there. That is a compartmental compartment. Those students who have got the compartment first chance, they can be given for the submission of supplementary examination. Next is that it is not only the supplementary examination, but it is also the improvement of performance or improvement test. If the students feel that they are not satisfied with the result, so they can sit for the improvement test as well. For two subjects in class 10 and one subject in class 12. And keep in mind that if the students will pass the examination, then if the students will sit in the examination, then after the examination or the result will be out, that result will be their final result, and the previous mark sheet should be submitted to the school, and school will submit the final mark sheet to the CBSE. So few criteria are there from tomorrow. From tomorrow, from 1st June in Pariksha Sangram portal, school need to submit that. Few of the points are there. Number one, few of the compliances are there. What are the compliances? Students who have appeared for the board examination for session 2022 and 23 as a regular students from CBSE affiliated schools whose result have been declared compartment should approach to the school. Number two, number C is very important, because if the students forgot, so now it is a mandatory obligation from the school point of view that this is a D. They should place the name. They should submit LOC for all the students placed in the compartmental categories. And if the students need to approach the school regarding the improvement test, they can also approach the school for the improvement test as well, and the school will submit the LOC within the stipulated schedule. No request for extension of the date due to a reason or accepting any candidate after the last date is over will be considered. Will be considered. So that means that some of the schools they have forgotten to submit the LOC for the compartmental students. So many students, those who have got the compartment, they have not approached the school. So many problems are there. So CBSE is very clear about that. Though now we are going to the annexure part. This is the annexure part that very important. It is also informed that the students who appeared in the 2021-22 in full subjects 5, 6, 7 as per the scheme of studies, either as regular students through schools affiliated to the board or as private students, and their result will be declared as compartmental. They could not pass in the compartmental in 2022 first chance, 2023 second chance. All such students are eligible to apply only as private candidates or private students for third and the last chance. So it will be there in 2021-22 if the students have appeared in the examination and the students got the compartmental. They have appeared the first compartmental, they have appeared the second compartmental, but they could not get the past result. Now they will be treated as the private students, and this will be the third opportunity and the last opportunity for them for sitting in the supplementary examination. So maximum 3 chances are available for a student to pass the examination if placed in the compartmental category in the main examination. So 3 chances have been given. If the students have got the compartment examination, 3 chances have been given to the students to pass the board examination. A separate circular in this regard also, circular has been circulated earlier. Schools may advise or direct such private students to apply online directly through CBSE website, whenever approached. The schedule of the submission of LOC and application forms will be the same for both regular and private students. Very important. If there are regular candidates, if there are private candidates, LOC submission will be the same. And who are the private candidates in 2021-22? Those students who have got the compartmental examination who has got the compartmental, and those who have not passed in the first chance, second chance, they are recognized as the private students. And this year in 2022 and 23, those students who have got the compartmental, so they will be recognized as the regular candidates. So consolidated mark sheet will be issued only to the students whose result was declared compartment in board examination 2023 and who will be the declared pass in supplementary examination. The supplementary examination will be conducted based on the syllabus prescribed by the board. The improvement performance can only be done in the subject given in Annex Check 5. Very important, because many confusions are there regarding the improvement test. Many confusions are there. What will be the schedule? The supplementary examination of class 12 will be held on 17th July, Monday. Supplementary examination in both class 10 will start from 17th July. So it will be held on the 17th July. Now we are coming to the annexure 1. Very important. What are the eligibility criteria of class 12? What are the eligibility criteria? Already I have discussed about the eligibility criteria. Regular students who appeared in the board examination through schools affiliated within 6 subjects placed compartmentally in 2 subjects are eligible for class 10. Two subjects, they are eligible for the compartmental examination. And regular students who appeared in the 6 subject in board examination and declared pass but could not clear one subject can appear in the failed subject. If the students, suppose students have taken 6 subjects and they have passed in the 5 subjects, now if they want to appear for the 6 subject, they can appear for the 6 subject for the improvement test. It will be called the improvement test. It is not like the compartmental, it is called the improvement test. So regular students who appeared in the board examination 2023 declared pass can appear any one subject under the improvement test. So that is the class 12 and class 10. I have told you about the class 10's regular students who appeared in the board examination improvement test. 2 subjects they can take for the improvement test. So regular students who appeared in the board examination declared pass can appear in 2 subjects under the improvement test. In class 12 there will be 1 subject for the improvement test, and in class 10 there will be 2 subjects for the improvement test. And schedule has been given from 17th July. The detail and date sheet when issued by the CBSE. CBSE will be issuing that criteria. And we are coming to these things, that schools without date fine 300 rupees, and the schedule of the submission from 1st June to 15th June, and date of finalization of LOC plus 2 days as per illustration. So with late fees, with last date with late fees will be 2000 rupees. So avoid this kind of late fees or late submission. So it will be 16 to 17th June. So within 17th June everything will be completed. So keep in mind, all the school heads and all the schools, they should keep in mind all those things. These things and fees payment of the fees fee, already we know about the fee payment method and other things. We should know about that. And steps of online submission, what are the steps? General list of candidate placed in compartmental login, because compartmental examination is different and improvement is different, because compartmental examination schools mandatory submit the LOC for all the students. So select a roll number and subject to the student who want to appear for the compartmental, finalize selection application ID, make payment. So these things they have given. Also subjects, these are the subjects in class 10 and class 12. These are the subjects. So this is very important circular, because improvement test is there and supplementary examination is there. I also want to clear those students that if you are sitting for the improvement test, then the result will be out. When the result will be out, that result and that mark sheet will be the final mark sheet for you. The last mark sheet, whatever if the marks, suppose in the improvement test the marks will be lower, much lower than expected or than what you have got last time, but you need to accept those things. So taking the steps for the improvement test. So you should make sure that if you are going to sit for the improvement test, you should make sure that yes, you are confident enough that you score more than the last. So these are the very important circular. Please go through the circular. Already CBSE has circulated. So thank you for everyone. Thank you.